Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. This is the fourth part of my project, which is the delivery app analysis. It's been so many days that I haven't added my video. Yeah, I was not feeling well actually, and my condition also was not good. But now I'm fine. So I've added my video now. So let's get started. See, if you haven't watched my videos, old videos, then please do check it out in my description section. You will get to learn more about the data visualization and the tags that I have added in the earlier videos. So please do watch it. So today we are going to move further on our visualization part. I hope you have practiced the tags and measures and the visualization that I have taught in the earlier videos. So today we are going to see some of the visualizations, some of the relationships further, out of which the first one, that is the total deliveries. For this actually we are going to use the three columns which is in our data set. First, which is the date column. Second, we'll be using the match method. And lastly, of course, the measure that we are going to use for the total deliveries, that is the total deliveries measure that we created in the that we created. So if you want to know that how I created this total delivery measures, please do watch my old videos. In that video I have clearly told how and clearly displayed how I created this measure. So for this visualization we'll be using the stacked column chart. We'll select the stacked column chart from the visualization section, and after that we will drag the date column and add it in the x-axis part. Remember, we'll click in the arrow on the date column and select the date for it, not the date hierarchy. See, this both these options, the date and date hierarchy, both these options are being used for the different scenarios and different sections, but for our scenario we'll be using the date section. And after that we'll select the day delivery measures and drag it on the y-axis part. So as you can see, a great visualization has been created, but we need to categorize it based on the match. So on the legends part we will drag the match method column. So as you can see that our total deliveries visualization isn't ready. So as we hover to this visualization, we can easily see that how much total deliveries is in made on a particular date and which match method is being used for it. See, as you can see on the column particular date wise, we can see particular data. So for this, so as you can see, our first visualization is ready for the total delivery. Secondly, today what we are gonna see is the total returns and damages. So what this visualization depicts? Why do I need to add this total returns and damages? Why? So we basically total return and damages basically depicts that how much returns I have made on a particular day, how much damages has been done on a particular day, and how which type of method is it, manual method or it is scan method. Basically it will help the company to identify the pains of the company by identifying the total returns and damages of the company. So for this visualization we will use, it's the same method as the earlier visualization, but the difference will be that instead of adding the total delivery measures, we will be adding the total damages for the returns measure in this. This measure also I have created earlier in my old video, so please check it out. You can easily come to know and understand with this. And if you have any doubt, you can ping me in the comment section, or you can add in the mail section in the website that I will be adding in the comment in my description part. So please check it out. So for this, we'll not using the stack column chart. We'll be using a different visualization tool, that is the line chart. Okay, so we'll be selecting the line chart from the visualization pane. We'll be adding the date column from the x-axis as the same like above, and same for this we'll be adding the date scenario. And instead of using the total deliveries measure, we'll be using the total damages for return measure and drag it in the y-axis. And same we will be adding the legends part, we'll be adding the match method column. So as you can see, our total damages for return visualization is ready. So before moving further, let's see as you can see a proper line chart is made. but I need something different. I need to change the structure of the line chart. I don't want a line chart, but I need to do something that basically depicts a different visualization. So I will go and change the structure of the line chart. So what I will do, I will format the visual. I will go to the format your visual and the visual part, and basically we will select the line section. And you can see in the line section part, in the end part, there is a stepped option. So I will enable the stepped option, and now just see the visualization, how attractive the visualization is compared to the old line chart. So it's just adding a new creativity, a new design to our line chart. So big see creativity is also one of the big option for adding in making your dashboard more look attractive and informative both. So that's all for today. Hope you have learned and enjoyed from this video. See, I've added my website link and the playlist both in my description section. And so please, you can comment if you have any doubt. If you don't understand any concept, then you can tell me. I will add it in my new video. In the next video, we'll be looking at the more of the some of the measures and the main part. We'll be adding the themes part. Looking at the themes part. We'll be creating the start for the making of the dashboard. So please stay tuned for the new video. I hope you like this video. You have learned this video. Please do like, subscribe to my channel so that I will be motivated for adding the more videos in that. So till then, bye and happy learning.